What you were born before 1966 and you are currently receiving Social Security, your benefit amount may be wrong right now, and SSA is not required to tell you. Not slightly wrong, potentially hundreds of dollars short every single month. There are 4 specific conditions affecting accounts belonging to people born before 1966. Each one operates silently. None of them trigger an automatic notification. And every single one has a documented fix, but only if you know what to look for and you act before June ends. If this is you, stay with this video. Every section is specific. Every step is actionable. By the end, you will know exactly what to check and exactly what to do. If you are not subscribed, do that now and turn on the bell. When SSA changes the rules, they do not send you a personal explanation. This channel does.
Most seniors receiving Social Security assume their benefit amount is calculated correctly. They check the deposit, the money is there, they move on. That assumption is costing millions of Americans money every single month. The Social Security Administration processes over 70 million benefit payments per month. The system was built over decades, and parts of it still rely on data that was entered manually before digital payroll systems existed. Errors accumulate, rules change, and when something goes wrong inside your account, the default outcome is not that SSA fixes it. The default outcome is that your check is smaller and stays smaller until you identify the problem and file a correction yourself. People born before 1966 are disproportionately affected. Here's why. This group entered the workforce in the 1970s and 1980s, before electronic payroll reporting was standardized. They are also more likely to be in the age range where specific Medicare and Social Security rules intersect in ways that reduce the net amount landing in their bank account every month. There are 4 conditions in play right now. Some affect your growth Social Security benefit. Some affect what Medicare deducts from it before you ever see the money. All 4 are fixable. None of them require a lawyer or a financial advisor. All of them require you to act before June ends. Here is why these problems exist and why SSA does not fix them automatically. Condition 1 is earnings record errors. Condition 2 is the earnings test. Condition 3 is the IRMAA surcharge. Condition 4 is account information flags. SSA calculates your monthly benefit using your 35 highest earning years on record. Those earnings came from payroll reports submitted by your employers to the IRS, which then transferred the data to SSA. This chain of data transfer worked reasonably well after the 1990s, when most payroll processing became digital. Before that, in the 1970s and 1980s, employers submitted paper forms. Name changes, address changes, and clerical errors created gaps that were never reconciled. Companies that went out of business often failed to transfer their final payroll records. The result is that millions of Americans have 1 or more years of earnings either missing entirely or recorded at a lower amount than they actually earned. SSA uses whatever number is in the file. If the number in the file is wrong, your benefit calculation is wrong. And SSA does not audit individual earnings records proactively. That job falls to you. If you are collecting Social Security before your full retirement age and you are still working, there is an annual limit on how much you can earn before SSA begins withholding your benefits. Most people do not know this rule exists until their check stops arriving. Medicare calculates your Part B premium using your income from 2 years ago. If your income in 2024 was elevated due to a home sale, a retirement distribution, or any one-time event, Medicare is still using that number to determine your 2026 premium. And that premium is deducted from your Social Security check before you receive it. SSA routinely cross-references your account details against external databases. If your mailing address, bank account information, or travel history creates an inconsistency, SSA can place a hold on your benefit payment without prior notice. No call, no letter. Your payment simply does not arrive. These are not rare edge cases. They are happening right now to people born before 1966. Here are the specific numbers and thresholds for 2026. Log into your My Social Security account at ssa.gov. Navigate to Earnings Record. Every year SSA has on file for you will be displayed. If any year is missing or shows a lower figure than you actually earned, you can file a correction using Form SSA 7008, available at ssa.gov/forms/ssa7008.pdf. You will need documentation such as old W-2 forms, tax transcripts, or a letter from a former employer.
The correction itself is free. One corrected year can add $50 to $100 permanently to your monthly benefit, confirmed by SSA benefit calculation methodology at ssa.gov/oact/cola/benefits.html. In 2026, if you are under your full retirement age for the entire year, the earnings limit is $24,480, confirmed by SSA.gov. If you earn above that amount from work, SSA withholds $1 for every $2 you earn above the limit. Your check can stop entirely without a warning call.
Full retirement age by birth year, confirmed by SSA. Born 1955, 66 years and 2 months. Born 1956, 66 years and 4 months. Born 1957, 66 years and 6 months. Born 1958, 66 years and 8 months. Born 1959, 66 years and 10 months. Born 1960 or later, 67 years. The withheld money is not permanently lost. After you reach full retirement age, SSA recalculates your benefit upward to credit the withheld months. But surviving 3 or 4 months without income on a fixed budget is a crisis that one phone call could have prevented. The standard Medicare Part B premium in 2026 is $202.90 per month, confirmed by CMS in the Federal Register in November 2025. IRMAA now begins at $109,000 for individuals, up from $106,000 in 2025, and $218,000 for couples filing jointly. Income between $109,001 and $137,000, total premium $284.10 per month. That is $81.20 extra every month.
Income between $137,001 and $173,000, $394.60 per month. Income between $173,001 and $205,000, $505.10 per month. Income between $205,001 and $500,000, $595.60 per month. Income above $500,000, $689.90 per month. Medicare is using your 2024 Modified Adjusted Gross Income to set these charges in 2026. If your 2024 income was elevated by a one-time event, such as a home sale, a required minimum distribution, or a final year of work before retirement, you are paying a surcharge based on income you no longer earn. If SSA detects any inconsistency between your address on file and USPS mail forwarding records, or if their records indicate you spent more than 30 consecutive days outside the United States, they can suspend your payment. Average resolution time, 6 to 8 weeks with no payment. This is preventable in 5 minutes at SSA.gov. Go to ssa.gov/myaccount, log in, click Earnings Record, print it or write down every year. Compare it against your own records including W-2 forms, IRS tax transcripts, and pay stubs. If any year is missing or incorrect, download Form SSA 7008 at ssa.gov/forms/ssa7008.pdf. Mail it to your local SSA office with supporting documentation. The correction is free. If you need your IRS tax transcripts to support the correction, request them free at irs.gov/individuals/get-transcript. If you are under full retirement age and working in 2025 or 2026, calculate your total year-to-date earnings from work right now. If you are approaching $24,480, call SSA at 1-800-772-1213 immediately and report your estimated earnings for the year. SSA can adjust your monthly payments proactively rather than withholding your entire check retroactively. Do not wait until the end of the year. Check your current Medicare Part B premium. It appears on your Social Security benefit statement or in your Medicare account at medicare.gov. If you are paying more than $202.90 per month and your income has dropped since 2024 for any reason, including retirement, home sale, reduced work hours, death of a spouse, or loss of a business, you qualify to appeal using Form SSA-44. Download Form SSA-44 at ssa.gov/forms/ssa-44.pdf. On the form, identify the qualifying life-changing event and provide your estimated current income. Attach one piece of supporting documentation, such as a retirement letter, a closing statement, or a final pay stub. Submit the form to your local SSA office or mail it to the address on the form. Processing takes 30 to 60 days. If approved, your premium is recalculated retroactively to January 1, 2026. If you have been paying to Tier 1 surcharge since January, that is 5 months at $81.20 extra per month, totaling $406 returned to your account. Log into ssa.gov/myaccount. Go to your profile. Confirm your mailing address matches your current residence. Confirm your direct deposit bank account is correct and active. Confirm your contact phone number is one you answer. If you have traveled internationally for more than 30 consecutive days in the past 12 months, note those dates. If SSA contacts you about a residency review, respond within 10 business days. Missing that deadline escalates a temporary hold into a formal suspension. In January 2025, the Social Security Fairness Act became law, eliminating the windfall elimination provision and the government pension offset. If you worked as a teacher, firefighter, police officer, or federal employee in a position that did not withhold Social Security taxes, and you are also entitled to a Social Security benefit, your monthly amount may be higher than what you were previously told. SSA has been processing these adjustments throughout 2025 and into 2026. Many accounts have not been updated yet. If you're a senior who has worked as a public servant, there's important news regarding your benefits. With the new Social Security Fairness Act now in effect, the old windfall elimination and government pension offset rules no longer apply. This could mean a significant increase in your monthly payments, possibly including a retroactive payment. While the Social Security Administration has been sending notices, it's always wise to be proactive and verify your own account status. Here is exactly what you need to do. Call SSA at 1-800-772-1213 and ask specifically, has my account been updated under the Social Security Fairness Act? If it has not, ask to have your account flagged for review. Details are at ssa.gov/benefits/retirement/Social Security Fairness Act.html. And remember, help doesn't stop with Social Security. Some states have additional low-income Medicare assistance programs that can further reduce your Part B premium. Contact your State Health Insurance Assistance Program, known as SHIP, for state-specific guidance. Find your local SHIP at shiphelp.org. Take these steps to ensure you're receiving all the support you're entitled to. If you were born before 1966 and are receiving Social Security, here are 5 crucial steps to take now. First, log into your account at ssa.gov to check your earnings record. If it's wrong, file a free correction with Form SSA 7008. No lawyer needed. Second, if you're working under full retirement age, watch your 2026 earnings. Nearing $24,480? Call the SSA now to prevent withheld checks. Third, check your Medicare Part B premium. If it's over $202.90 and your income dropped since 2024, file Form SSA 44 for a potential retroactive refund. Fourth, confirm your contact and bank information is current on ssa.gov. This 5-minute check prevents suspended payments. Fifth, if you had a non-Social Security government job, call to ask about updates from the Social Security Fairness Act. These steps are free and don't require an attorney. The only people who miss out are those who never check. Act on these steps before June ends. Share this with anyone who could benefit and subscribe for more updates.